How to make money on Studypool. Make money online for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about how you can make money on Studypool, what the website is like, and what are the different ways that you can make money. Well, Studypool is an online platform that enables you as a student or as a teacher to be able to study all the time. You can get notes. You have multiple different study tools like homework Q&As, note banks, book guides, video tutoring, in-person tutoring, and scholarships that you can apply for. So these are all the tools for people that want to study. Now, how can you exactly make money with Studypool? Well, there are two ways that you can make money with Studypool, and they are very simple and easy. First off, you can choose to sell docs. So sell documents means that if you have any notes, if you have any questionnaires that you receive from your college, from your university, from your high school, then you can simply upload your documents and then they will get reviewed by Studypool. So they will get it approved. And then once it is viewed by students, when people, look at your document, when people, learn from your document, you will earn money. So you can earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. And you can also sell documents for a certain price as well. And you can see some of the top earners are making upwards of $90,000 on Studypool. Now you can see that every document, let's say in algebra integrals, this is a little Studypool doc, and you need to sign up to view the full document, and you can simply click on access now and then sign up to view a document. If you want to sell documents, you also just have to sign up, and that is all. You don't have to wait for anything. You don't have to wait to get approved. You just click on sign up on the top right over here, and I will show you guys later in the video how to do that. And then you can sign up to begin selling documents. So you can see you have everything. A lot of different universities, colleges are, students from a lot of different colleges and universities are sharing their docs, and you can even look for a specific subject. So let's say that if you're actually a student in a university, it's very, very, very easy to be able to, sell documents online. It's going to be super simple for you. You're already taking notes and you're just going to sell your old notes or sell the notes as you take them. And it is going to simplify your study process a lot. It really, really helps you in earning money in a simple way. And you can see like these kinds of notes are selling for a lot higher than just $10. So this was sold 42 times and they have earned over 336 USD. So if we take a look at the money that they have made, if we take a look at 42 into 10, so that's around $420. Obviously, there are going to be some cuts. Some of the times you're not going to be able to sell the notes for as high of a price, depending on the type of notes that they might be. So after that, there is another way that you can earn money on Studypool, and that is to become a tutor. So you can click on become a tutor and you can earn upwards of 7,500 USD directly from tutoring students online. Plus they have some of the lowest service fees, they have a reliable income, and you have freedom and flexibility on when you want to be working. Now, what is Q&A tutoring? So if you're doing Q&A tutoring, you don't have to, teach the entire subject matter. People will just ask you some specific questions and you can answer via text or providing, full explanations or answers. You can even create like a video tidbit, and then you can communicate over chat message, and tutoring answers are one time, one question based. So this will enable you to just answer one question, and depending on what is your subject of expertise, you can answer one question and you will be paid by the question, and you can show, what kind of money you are charging for each question. So you can see it's anywhere of $3, $15, $5, depending on how difficult the subject is. So child custody law questions, these are $34 because of the difficulty of the subject or the level of expertise required. So the more difficult the expertise is, the higher you can charge, and you can choose a specific subject that you have studied. You have anything from accounting, health and medical, psychology, stats, management, business, algebra, law, science, mathematics, chemistry, programming, and computer science. So there are a bunch of different fields that you can choose from. Now, to get started on Studypool, all you have to do is simply click on sign up on the top right over here. And after that, you will just enter your email address, a suitable username, and a password, or you can even sign up with Facebook or Google. I'm just going to continue with a Google sign up. It's super simple and easy, and it only takes a couple of minutes for you to get started on Studypool, and then you can begin making money by selling notes and by becoming a tutor. Now, for a tutor, you do need to make sure so to become a tutor, you do need to make sure that you are able to, so to become a tutor, it is very essential that you have some expertise. So if you want to become a tutor, it's going to be difficult to, get approved for that. But to just sell documents, you can sell documents as whoever. It really doesn't even matter if they're your own notes. So if you have a friend that takes super good notes and you ask them, hey, can I sell your docs? And they're like, okay, you can sell those docs as well. If you have friends in other colleges or universities, you can take notes from them and sell those as well. So once you have signed up, simply click on Sell Docs on the top of your screen. And after that, you will be able to see upload more files over here, and then you can begin uploading your files. So you can simply drop the files, and once you send them out, they will give you the estimation for how much you can earn per doc and how much you're going to be able to charge for those, because depending on the quality of your docs, it will be able to estimate the price. So they also have a little guide to maximize your earnings. So first off, you need to make sure they are uploaded in high quality. So make sure you can scan the notes if you can. Just use a cam scanner to do that. And you need to add doc details. So, labeling your documents with titles that are related to the document information to make sure all the content is meaningful. Now, there are some things you must not do, which is to upload bad quality documents. So if it's, in 250p, your customers are not going to be able to read those. You need to make sure they have good titles, there's not duplicate content, and there is no copyrighted content. So these are just some of the basic guidelines, and now you can upload and begin earning money. That is how simple and easy it is. Now, if you want to become a tutor, simply click on Become a Tutor on the top of your screen over here. And for this, you actually have to wait and get approved, but you will just scroll down and you can click on Apply Now. And you will apply to become a tutor. So you can click on Start Your Application and click on Start Application, and it can take upwards of 8 hours to begin this application. You will click on Acknowledge. And after that, you will have to provide all of your academic experience, all of your work experience, all of that good stuff. So for this, you do need a level of expertise. But if you have a college degree, a lot of the times you can teach on Studypool. If you are doing a master's, if you're someone that completed, your first section of college, you can even become a tutor then. So it is not as difficult to, get approved as it would be to get approved on another platform. But it still is going to, require some basic information from you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.